Hi guys, let's look at the next question. But before we start the next question, let me quickly revise the acronym that we've coined, which is SOHCAHTOA, which is sine is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, cos is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Another way would be OSHA Chota, which is the same thing but in a more Hindi friendly way. OSHA Chota. And then the last was Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. This is for sine, this is for cos, and this is for tan. And the 6 ratios are sine, cos, tan, and their respective reciprocals would be cosec, sec, and cot. And then the last relation, which is tan is equal to sine upon cos. Wonderful. Let's go ahead and solve some questions. Question number 7. It says in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Okay, no diagram given, so let me just draw a rough diagram. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so this is my rough diagram. ABC is 90 degree. Angle CAB, which is this angle, is x degree. Tan x is equal to 3 upon 4. So let's just write this down. Tan x degree is equal to 3 upon 4. We know tan is equal to perpendicular upon base. In this case, BC upon AB. Now, is BC necessarily equal to 3? No, it is not, because since this is a ratio, this could have been 12, this could have been 16, the ratio would still be 3 by 4, which means let BC is equal to 3y, therefore AB is equal to 4y. There is a constant here which is getting cut. This is a ratio, that's why this is not, the value is not 3 and 4, but 3y and 4y. So BC is 3y, AB is 4y. Next, BC is equal to 15 centimeter. So 3y is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, so point number 2, BC is equal to 3y is equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore, y is equal to 5 centimeter, which means AB is equal to 4y is equal to 20 centimeter. We need to find length of AB, which we just did, and we need to find length of AC. So AC, so this is 15, this is 20. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. So in right triangle ABC using Pythagoras theorem, what I get is AC square is equal to 20 square plus 15 square. This is basically nothing but a Pythagorean triplet, but let's just still calculate. 20 square is 400, 15 square is 225, which means AC would be equal to square root of 625, which means AC would be equal to 25 centimeter. So they wanted us to calculate the value of AB and AC. AB is 20, AC is 25. Done. Simple question. But what I want you to learn from this is that it's a ratio, which means BC is not 3, BC is 3y. Similarly, AB is 4y. Next question. Next question that we solve is question number 8. It says sine phi and tan theta. We need to find, there is a diagram which is given here. So I can calculate sine phi for sure if I can find out the value of CD. So in right triangle BCD using Pythagoras theorem, what I get is 13 square is equal to 12 square plus CD square, which means CD would be equal to 13 square minus 12 square, the square root of it. This is 169 minus 144, 25, which means CD would be equal to 5. No units given, so we will take it to be only 5 units. Good. So if I have to calculate sine phi, this would be equal to perpendicular, in this case CD upon hypotenuse, in this case BD, which is equal to 5 upon 13. So first part of my question done. Next, I need to calculate the value of tan theta. Now tan theta, let's look at, can I find any right angle triangle here? So for this I don't see a right angle triangle, so maybe I should draw a perpendicular from D onto AB. If I draw a perpendicular here, then I have a right angle triangle. Let's call this point E. So next one, draw DE perpendicular to AB. Now I have a right angle triangle. Now BEDC, this is 90, this is 90, this is also 90, which means this angle is also 90. So BCDE is a rectangle. So quadrilateral BCDE is a rectangle, which means BC is equal to DE is equal to 12 and CD is equal to BE is equal to 5. So this is 12, this is 5. Since the total is 14, which means AE is equal to 9. Let's just do that calculation. AE is equal to AB minus BE, which is 14 minus 5, which means AE is equal to 9. Now to find tan theta, let's just write that down. Tan theta, if I'm looking at right triangle AED, it would be perpendicular, in this case DE, upon base, in this case AE. So DE is equal to 12 and AE is equal to 9, which is 3 into 4, 3 into 3. So tan theta is equal to 4 by 3, which is 1 by 3. Done. Next, we need to write an expression for AD in terms of theta. So let's see which trigonometric ratio uses AD. Since AD is hypotenuse, which means I will have sine, cos and their reciprocals. So let's just first work with sine. So sine theta would be equal to perpendicular, which is DE, upon base upon hypotenuse, which is AD. So AD would be equal to AE upon sine theta. In this case, AE is 9 upon sine theta. That's equal to AD. So they wanted me to write a expression for AD in terms of theta. Such questions are never asked in ICSE, but since this is the first part I was solving, I thought I'll solve this as well. Next, if you want to look at the second ratio, it would be cos theta, and cos theta would be equal to base upon hypotenuse, which is AE upon AD, which means AD would be equal to AE upon cos theta. In this case, AD would be equal to 9. This is ED, my mistake. DE, my mistake. So this is something wrong I have done. Let's just redo it here. Sin theta is equal to DE upon AD, which means AD is equal to DE upon sin theta, which is DE, the value is 12 upon sin theta, not 9 upon sin theta, 12 upon sin theta. I mixed up the two sides. In this case, AD is equal to AE upon cos theta, which is 9 upon cos theta. When I realized both the answers were coming same, that's when I realized I have done some mistake. Good, let's look at the next question. The next question that we do is question number 10. Question 10 says sin A plus cosec A is equal to 2. Find sin square A plus cosec square A. So if I have to square this, let's square both sides. So number one, sin A plus cosec A is equal to 2. Let's square both sides. So squaring both sides, what I get is sin A plus cosec A whole square is equal to 2 square. Now this is in the form x plus y whole square, which means this would be x square plus y square plus 2 into xy. In this case, sin A multiplied with cosec A is equal to 2 square, which is 4. Now they want us to calculate this. So but I know sine A and cosec A are reciprocal of each other. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine, which means this is sine square A plus cosec square A plus 2 into sine A, and cosec A is nothing but 1 upon sine A, and on the right hand side is 4. This gets cancelled, which means sine square A plus cosec square A is equal to 4 minus 2, which is 2. And we'll need to write the reason for this, since cosec A is equal to 1 upon sine A. Done. Very simple question, but interesting one. Next question. The next question that we solve is question number 12. It says 4 sine theta is equal to 3 cos theta. That's what's given. We need to find sine theta, cos theta, and certain other values. So let's draw a rough diagram for our understanding. It'll help us understand what the question is. So let's say this is a right angle that we're looking at. This is A, B, and C, and let this be the reference angle theta. So number 1, 4 sine theta is equal to 3 cos theta. I know the relation sine theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta, which means I can divide both sides by cos theta. This becomes 3 upon 4, which means tan theta is equal to 3 upon 4. Now I know tan theta in this case would be perpendicular upon base. So like I said, this is a ratio, which means AB is not necessarily equal to 3, which means AB is equal to 3x. So let AB is equal to 3x. Therefore, BC is 4x. Now let's apply Pythagoras theorem. So in right triangle ABC using Pythagoras theorem, I get AC square is equal to 3x whole square plus 4x whole square, which is 9x square plus 4x square, that's 25x square. Therefore, AC is equal to 5x. So this is 3x. No, BC is 4x, AB is 3x, and this we got as 5x. Now that we have all three sides, we should be able to get whatever answers they want. First point, sine theta. So sine theta would be equal to perpendicular, which is AB, upon hypotenuse, which is AC, which means 3x upon 5x, which is 3 upon 5. Done. Next part, cos theta. Cos theta would be base, which is BC, upon hypotenuse, which is AC, which means 4 upon 5. This also done. Next part of the question. Next part of the question requires me to calculate cot and cosec. So cot theta, which is reciprocal of tan theta, would be 4 upon 3. Yes. And cosec theta would be a reciprocal of sine theta, which is we calculated, this is 5 upon 3. So let's look at the next part. It is cot square theta minus cosec square theta would be equal to 4 upon 3 whole square minus 5 upon 3 whole square. This is 16 upon 9 minus 25 upon 9. This would be equal to negative 9 upon 9, which is equal to negative 1. So that's my answer for part 3. This is equal to negative 1. Let's look at the last part of the question. Last part of the question says 4 cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta plus 2. So 4 cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta plus 2 would be equal to 4 multiplied with cos theta is 4 upon 5 whole square minus 2, not 3, 2 sin square theta, 2 multiplied by sin theta, that 3 upon 5 whole square plus 2. This is equal to 4 multiplied with 16 upon 25 minus 2 multiplied with 9 upon 25 plus 2. So this is 64 upon 25 minus 20. This is 2 or 3? 2 sine square theta or 3 sine square theta? Let me just recheck the question. This is 3 sine square theta. So I've written the question wrong. This is not 2 sine square theta. This is 3 sine square theta. So this is not 2 here, 3 here. So this is not 2 here. This is 3. So this is 3 into 9, 27 upon 25 plus 2. Let's take LCM. So this is 25, 64 minus 27 plus 25 into 2. That's 50. So 64 plus 50, that's 114. Should I do all this calculation? Okay, 114 minus 27 upon 25, which is 14 and 13 gone, which is 87 upon 25, which would be 312 upon 25. I could have just reduced this as well. I would have got the same answer, but anyway, the final answer is 312 upon 25. Good, that brings me to an end of this video. Homework question for you. Homework question for you would be question number 9, question number 11, and question number 13. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe. I'll see you with the next video. Bye-bye.